subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
ZTE is all set to launch its new flagship smartphone under Nubia series called Nubia Z30 and Nubia Z30 Pro. Recently, the upcoming Nubia 30 smartphone renders were surfaced online on Chinese social media site Weibo. And according to leaked renders, the ZTE Nubia 30 will support a curved large display with minimum bezels on the top and bottom edge of the phone, and it is said to have hidden under display selfie camera. The rear panel of the phone appears to feature a quad camera setup in a rectangular module at the top left corner, including an LED flash. The text inside the camera module suggests the phone to support up to 100x hybrid zoom, and it will have one primary camera joined by ultra-wide-angle lens plus telephoto lens. The volume rockers along with the power button is visible on the right edge, and additionally, we can expect the phone to feature an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication. Apart from this, there is no other details of Nubia 30 smartphone has leaked so far, and the smartphone is set to launch on May 20th. So as of now, that's all we know about the ZTE Nubia 30 smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.